Some traders don't need a better strategy. They need the right type of technical analysis platform for how they trade. I tested the top tools side by side to see which one actually helps you spot trades faster, whether you want automation or real-time AI scanning or powerful charting. And I want to see which one fits your trading style best, so I went through all of them. Let's get right into it. Now, to figure out the best software for technical analysis, we have to start with a simple question. What do you actually need help with, right? Because when you look at TrendSpider, Trade Ideas, and TradingView, these all solve the same core problem, helping you read the market better, right? But they approach it from very different angles here, and that is where the real separation happens. TrendSpider feels like the smartest automation hub. It automatically draws trend lines, Fibonacci levels, support resistance zones, and chart patterns using algorithms rather than manual charting. And this helps create a more consistent analytical process and reduces subjective decision making. So for traders who want greater confidence in how they allocate capital, this feature helps ensure decisions are based on repeatable logic rather than emotional chart interpretation. Compare that to Trade Ideas' scanner-focused workflow. TrendSpider really places far more emphasis on automating the analysis itself. It combines the AI tools, the market scanners, alerts, and automated bots to help identify opportunities and monitor markets continuously. It can automatically analyze multiple time frames at once, helping traders spot levels and trends that might be missed when reviewing charts manually. But don't take my word for it. I actually found a review from one user who said that TrendSpider is a paradise for serious traders, noting that the integration of fundamental analysis makes it pretty much a game changer and that the natural language usage in AI makes life so much easier. He also mentioned that the scanner and backtesting strategy are among the best features, though newcomers might find it intimidating at first. The trick is to start with the basics, and the documentation is comprehensive, so you can learn a lot there too. Unlike TradingView's manual approach, TrendSpider automates all the heavy lifting for you. It has this feature called the strategy tester, and with this tool, you can build, test, and refine strategies using decades of data without writing a single line of code. All right, on the other hand, Trade Ideas is best known for Holly, which is its AI-driven trading assistant that continuously analyzes market conditions and identifies potential trade opportunities. For traders who want reassurance that their trading budget is being guided by strong data rather than intuition alone, Holly provides an additional layer of systematic analysis. Compared to TrendSpider's chart automation and TradingView's charting ecosystem, Trade Ideas focuses more aggressively on AI-generated trade discovery. I came across this review where a user said that for a swing trader or a day trading scalper, this program is irreplaceable in their method of trading. He also praised the test drive offers as a good way to try it out. Unlike TrendSpider and TradingView, Trade Ideas is built first and foremost to discover opportunities as they emerge. Its scanners are constantly searching the market for unusual activity, momentum moves, and potential trade setups throughout the trading day. Also, their odds maker allows traders to test strategies against historical market data before risking any capital. This helps you build a trust with the program by showing whether a setup has demonstrated favorable historical performance, and that's much better than like random data showing up. So for users who prefer evidence-based decision-making, this creates a much stronger foundation for capital allocation. But when it comes to advanced charting and super charts, I think TradingView offers one of the most popular charting environments in the industry right now. So if you love charting and you want thousands of indicators, TradingView is basically your playground. TradingView also gives traders access to one of the largest communities in chart analysts in the world, along with custom indicators built through PineScript and coverage across stocks, crypto, forex, futures, and more. It has a lot. But again, don't take my word for it. Take this review from a premium member. He said that in his review that this is one of the best and easiest platforms for charting and analysis. He was so pleased that he subscribed 3 years in advance. That's a lot. So for traders who want complete visibility before committing their budget, the platform provides deep analytical flexibility that can be very useful if that's what you're looking for. Now, all three of these platforms are really powerful, but there are some trade-offs that you need to know before subscribing. So for Trade Ideas, the biggest complaint that I see is about the test drive mode. Some users feel limited by it, which, I mean, makes sense. One user mentioned that they signed up for the test drive, but hardly any features worked. He also felt that the AI lost him money too, and that can be pretty frustrating. But here's what you need to know. The test drive is just a preview. It's a test drive. You can't trade live market data through a simulation and expect magic. You need the full plan. When you upgrade, the AI is incredibly sharp. Just remember, Never trade without doing your own research, and AI is AI. It gives you ideas, not certainties. It's not going to be right every single time. For TradingView, the complaints are usually about billing. Some users say that they get charged after they believed that their subscription had already been canceled. I saw that a couple times. It's not automatic. Look, cancellation issues happen with almost every subscription platform. Very few users report this with TradingView. I did see it a couple times, but if this kind of thing does happen, most billing issues can usually be resolved through TradingView support, or if it comes to it, your payment provider. Finally, for TrendSpider, some existing customers felt that the yearly prepaid subscription was a bit unfair to them. That's just how it is. I mean, I get the frustration, but here's the reality. You can easily lock in the best deal right now by signing up through the link in the description below. And hey, the value that you get for automated technical analysis trading software far outweighs the minor pricing hiccups. And if it's too much, test it out first, right? When it comes to pricing, the differences between these platforms are pretty big, but I do think that they are all fairly priced for what they offer. Trading Ideas' pricing is structured as a choice between 3 different access levels. There's the free plan, which gives you free access to test drive the platform. And when it comes to their paid subscription, their core plan is priced at $127 a month or $1,068 annually. But to get the Holly AI, you need the Apex plan, which is priced at $254 monthly or $2,136 annually. TradingView is definitely the budget king here. The Essential plan is $12.95 a month billed yearly. The Plus plan is $29.95, and the Premium plan is $59.95 when billed annually. TrendSpider sits right in the sweet spot for the best software for technical analysis. There is a free plan, but you get capped pretty easily. If you want to take your technical analysis to the next level, TrendSpider's paid plans, I think, are more worth it. The standard plan ranges from $52 to $89 monthly. The premium plan is $65 to $149, and the enhanced plan is $87 to $199. And considering that it automates your trend lines, backtesting, and scanning, you're buying back your time, essentially. For stock market technical analysis software, I think this pricing hits the value mark perfectly. If you want to get the most current pricing and any special deals going on right now, do check the links in the description below. At the end of the day, there isn't one best technical analysis platform for everyone. It's different for different people, right? If charting is your thing, TradingView is pretty hard to beat. If you want real-time trade ideas and market scans, Trade Ideas shines there. But if your goal is to automate analysis, save time, and let technology handle more of the heavy lifting, TrendSpider stands out there. The best software for technical analysis is the one that fits how you trade. If you want to check them out, click those links in the description to get started with whichever one fits your trading style best and take your trading to the next level.